Hi, I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group. Today we're going to discuss how to exclude jeans from the dress code at the workplace. The way to exclude jeans from the dress code in the workplace is to change the policy. You want to make sure that you have a written policy and you communicate this clearly to your employees. 3 ways you can do that is by distributing the new policy and requiring signature of receipt. 2, by communicating it through email or your company newsletter. And 3, by having your managers discuss this in team and staff meetings. Again, the best way to exclude jeans in the workplace is to document it in writing and communicate it effectively to your employees. My name is Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group.